Welcome to this new tutorial of how to use product badge in WooCommerce with Shopbuilder plugin. For this, go to the Shopbuilder first and then Settings, click on Module and find Product Badges. Click on this button to enable this module. After enabling this module, you can customize hide theme badges and applicable products option. This allows you to hide the default badges, save your changes, and go to the shop page to view it. Now, go to the settings. You can also change these options as per your requirement. Then go to the create badges. This is for adding new product badges. So click on it. Today I will show you 4 types of badge. First, I will start with badges for category and set a name like polo shirt. Also, you can specify dynamic badge condition from these given options along with badge appearance. Enter your badge text. Set the applicable for options and applicable categories to include. Now save it and view your customization. However, let's go for the shop page settings. Here, you can choose group badge position in shop page. You can move position above image into different positions like top left. Badge position is on the top left. Apart from these customization, you can change the text color and the background color as per your choice. Let's see how it really looks. Furthermore, you can change and set the font size of the text. What's more, you can change your badge appearance again if you want. Let's try another appearance. And set finally what you prefer. Let's learn now the second type of badges for pre-order product, which means customers can purchase in advance of its official release or availability. In this similar way, you can create and add enter badge text pre-order to display. Set the applicable for and applicable product. And lastly, set your preferred color for the text color and the background color. Save the changes. This is our pre-order badge for the polo shirt with all its customization. Let's learn now the third type of badges for backorder product. A backorder product is an item that is temporarily out of stock but still available for purchase. Similarly, you can do it for the backorder by following the same steps. Let's save these and see the changes. You can set the font size for it to be more focused, this badge, along with padding. Save these changes and go to the shop page and see the change. Lastly, we will learn the fourth type of badges for image product. For this, follow the same process and steps. Click on Add New and give the name Image Product. Image Product convey various types of information or promotional messages to customers. You can set a badge image for a product under the Upload Image option. Again, follow the same steps like previous for applicable for options and applicable product. and then save your changes. Go to the shop page. Here it is. If you want to add further products, then go to the settings, click on applicable product and choose that specific product to add. And here it has already added image badge on top. If you want more elegancy for your text badge preset, then you can change badge appearance. This is so simple to use product badge. Thank you for watching.